was a lively one.
Worms are usually quite lively and they last a lot longer.
Can you sit still for more than 5 bloody minutes? How am I supposed to hook it when it's constantly trying to move? Sit bloody still, will ya?
You're not going to sit still and let you stick a hook in it. Are you going to really sit still and let somebody stab something through you? Unless you want an ear piercing. Unless you want a piercing, are you really going to stand there and let them stab it into you?
Haha, got you on my hook now, haven't I, mate?
Got off.
Huh?
Got off.
Helicopter!
Army one as well.
Helicopter turning! They're turning! Cool! That was cool to see one of them turn! Ah!
Your fizzy got over as well?
Bugger!
Little blighter.
Huh?
The little blighters.
Ah!
The hook's all hooked up again. Wouldn't do that too much, yeah.
Helpsies, please. Yeah.
Alright, go to Ruby Trolley and get the cakes out.
Baby, look after Mummy's rod. Mummy's still there, look. You look after it for me. You never know, Ruby, I might let you have a go at casting out in a minute. Would you like that? Yeah? Hang on then. One. Two. Three.
Put mine this side of you. Put mine this side of you.
Yeah, hang on, I'm putting them back in the box for you so they don't get wet. Reach down. Put mine behind Rube. Where's Bubbles? There. Lie down in front of me. That little monkey. Come here, look, baby. Come here, look. Now, Mummy, lift your trailer up. Right. Hold there with Mummy. Bring up and fling. Clever girl, you did it! Yay! You cast it in, baby girl. Clever girl, aren't ya? Is that fun? Yeah, Mummy do it now. Alright then, you want Mummy to carry on doing it? Ah, you little boogaloo. Bye.
We'll get him eventually, darling.
Our friend's out with his paraglider.
Well, somebody's out with a paraglider anyhow.
God dang it.
Let's come here more often when we're done.
Yeah.
This can be our main. Can be our main fishing area. It's quite nice sitting out here.